Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on the cartoon Air Force Ones. First thing you want to do is take out the laces before you start painting. Next, we are going to use acetone to remove the factory finish from all the areas that we are going to paint. With this custom, I'm going to start where the threads meet. Now I'm painting the area right above it and going all around the shoe. Now we're going to paint the outer edges for the entire part of the shoe. For my design, I add light gray to make the black lines pop out a little bit more. Once you finish that part, you could add whatever type of line design you want in the inside part of the shoes.